Rosie to get engaged within 90 days. Kachi proposes to Rosie on national TV. Rosie must be engaged within the next 90 days. So winning the Ultimate Love Show and Roxy being crowned the ultimate couple is not just the end of the show. After putting behind the 10 couples who were on the show and emerging winners, Kachi and Rosie will need to make the intent of initiating the show a reality. At the finale, Rosie and Kachi were told that after winning the show, their terms and conditions applied to enjoy some of the goodies, and one of them needed to be done right on the show. According to Oluwaseun Olaniyan, the producer of the show, believes commitment is important in all aspects of life, marriage inclusive. Kachi was asked what the next step would be for him and his partner, and a lot of things were said. Our fans should expect a lot of exciting and wonderful things from us. We talked about a lot of things while we were in the love part. We talked about the short, medium and long-term goals. We will have a clothing line. We already have a name and a logo for the clothing line. Kachi was, however, taken back to the commitment aspect of the event when he was told to make a commitment to propose to Rosie within the next 90 days. When the question was thrown at him, his answer was a resounding yes. He was immediately handed a wrist corsage, which was to be a symbol of his commitment to Rosie, that he was going to propose marriage to her within the next 90 days. Loverboy Kachi did not only collect the corsage, but he did with a full smile on his face while confessing his love to Rosie and promising that they would be engaged within the stipulated time. So if you're told to expect a wedding invite, Asoebi colors and material from Roxy, don't be surprised, it could be happening soon. Congratulations Rosie and Kachi. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment to get more updates on your favorite couple.